The future of work has arrived, and it's powered by intelligent AI agents. Google has just unveiled something that could completely redefine how companies operate. Gemini Enterprise, a powerful new system designed to bring AI agents directly into every business workflow, every department, and yes, every desk. This isn't just another AI tool or chatbot. Gemini Enterprise represents a bold shift from simple generative AI toward what Google calls Agentic AI, artificial intelligence that doesn't just respond but actually takes action, makes decisions, and collaborates like a real team member. At the recent Google Cloud Next event, Thomas Kurian, CEO of Google Cloud, explained it best. He said the next generation of AI won't be about just models and apps. It'll be about AI agents that think, reason, and execute tasks autonomously. Gemini Enterprise is the system built to make that vision real. So what exactly is Gemini Enterprise, and how does it work? Let's break it down. At its core, Gemini Enterprise brings together Google's most advanced AI models, the brains, with the tools to build, control, and manage those brains in the form of intelligent agents. Everything is integrated: model access, orchestration, data connectors, security, and even governance. It is like giving every employee their own AI assistant that truly understands their work and their company's systems. The platform is made up of 6 main parts. First, there are the models, powered by the Gemini family of AI systems. These include the latest multimodal models that can understand text, images, video, and even complex business data. Google introduced a new version called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, optimized for enterprise-scale efficiency. Second, there's the workbench, which acts as the creative playground for building and orchestrating AI agents. With it, developers, and even non-developers, can design agents without needing to be coding experts. It's a drag-and-drop style interface that helps teams connect data sources, define agent behaviors, and monitor performance. Third, we have the task force, a library of ready-to-use agents built for specific roles. Want a code assist agent that can generate and review your code automatically? It's already there. Need a deep research agent that scours your internal databases and the web to produce market reports? It's one click away. These pre-built agents let companies deploy AI quickly without building from scratch. Next comes data integration. Gemini Enterprise connects seamlessly to popular business platforms like Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, Jira, Confluence, Box, and more. This integration gives agents the ability to work across different tools just like a real human employee would, pulling data from one, taking action in another, and reporting back to you in plain language. Then there's governance and security, something Google took very seriously. With enterprise adoption comes the need for control. Features like Model Armor protect against unsafe or biased outputs. IT teams can monitor, approve, and restrict what agents are allowed to do. Every action is auditable, meaning companies always know how their AI systems are behaving. And finally, open ecosystem support. Google isn't doing this alone. They're reopening Gemini Enterprise to over 100,000 partners and solution providers. An AI agent finder lets businesses browse and adopt pre-built agents made by trusted developers around the world. Now, to really understand what Gemini Enterprise can do, let's look at a real example from Google's live demo. Imagine you're managing a marketing team. The AI agent built in Gemini Enterprise monitors your market data and notices a sudden rise in demand for science fiction-themed products. It instantly flags this opportunity, then realizes your current stock has a 25% gap for that category. So what does it do? It automatically creates a purchase order in ServiceNow to restock inventory. Then it drafts an email to all store managers about the new campaign. It even generates images and social media posts promoting the new products. In less than a minute, a full marketing campaign, from insight to execution, is launched. No manual coordination, no waiting for approvals, no juggling between apps. Just a smooth, intelligent workflow powered by an AI agent that understands your goals. This isn't science fiction. It's exactly what Google demonstrated, and it shows how the concept of an AI agent at every desk could become a reality. Early adopters are already seeing massive results. Virgin Voyages, the luxury cruise brand, has deployed over 50 AI agents through Gemini Enterprise. One of their agents, named Email Ellie, helps the marketing team write and personalize emails. The result? Content creation sped up by 40%, and the company saw a 28% year-over-year sales increase. They also reduced external agency costs by 35%, saving both time and money while boosting creativity. Another example comes from Macquarie Bank in Australia. They rolled out Gemini Enterprise to their entire workforce. 99% of their employees have completed generative AI training, showing how serious the organization is about preparing for an AI-first future. The power of Gemini Enterprise lies in its scalability. It is not about one chatbot sitting in a corner of your workspace. It is about creating a network of specialized agents that collaborate across every department. Agents for sales, agents for marketing, agents for HR, IT, finance, and customer service. Each one connected, secure, and able to act autonomously within controlled limits. Now, let's talk about accessibility. Gemini Enterprise is available wherever Google Cloud operates, making it globally scalable from day one. For smaller organizations, Google has introduced Gemini Business, starting at $21 per seat per month. For large enterprises, Gemini Enterprise Standard and Plus editions start at $30 per seat per month, giving companies the flexibility to scale according to their needs. Of course, with such innovation comes both opportunities and challenges. On the opportunity side, Gemini Enterprise democratizes AI. It allows non-technical employees to build and use agents without coding. It unifies workflows by connecting data, tasks, and communication into one ecosystem. It helps businesses scale intelligence across thousands of users while maintaining control and security. But there are challenges too. Data privacy must be carefully handled, especially when agents interact with sensitive systems. Over-reliance on automation could lead to errors if humans aren't in the loop. Companies will need strong change management strategies to help employees embrace AI instead of fearing it. And as with any subscription model, organizations must evaluate the cost-benefit balance over time. Still, one thing is certain: Google is making a major statement with Gemini Enterprise. This isn't just an AI platform, it's a blueprint for how businesses will function in the next decade. AI won't just support your work, it will be your coworker, your assistant, and your creative partner. In many ways, Gemini Enterprise feels like the natural evolution of tools like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, but with a distinctly Google touch: open integration, deep governance, and massive scalability. As AI continues to reshape the workplace, the real question isn't whether we'll use AI agents, but how many we'll use and how fast we'll adapt. Gemini Enterprise gives companies a chance to lead that transformation instead of chasing it. The age of the AI coworker has officially begun. And with Gemini Enterprise, Google wants to make sure there is an intelligent agent sitting right next to every single employee, ready to listen, learn, and take action.